Today everyone, today we talk about sharing personal information using Mandarin. So first one, in English, hello, my name is BJ. So using Mandarin, ni hao, wu jiao, BJ. Next, in English, I am 20 years old. In using Mandarin, wu jin yan, shishu. So next one, in English, I came from the Philippines. So in using Mandarin, wala is a Philippines. So next, in English, I live in Pangasinan. So using in Mandarin, wuzuzay Pangasinan. Next, in English, I am college student. Using Mandarin, wushi dakshu xing. Next one. In English, I study English at Asbury College. So using Mandarin, wuzai azibali shuwan sushi yingyu. Next one. In English, I like listening music and watching movies. So using Mandarin, wo shi wan zeng yin yo he kan jan ying. So lastly, in English, nice to meet you. Using Mandarin, in Gaoxing Ren Shini. Xie xie.